Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily and a technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. We are seeing some beautiful movement in the markets today. Before we get started, I want to thank you beautiful people in the Patreon. Alvaro, Adam, Ian, Mr. Joyner, Gene, John, Zachary, Jose, Greg, David, Burnt, Rama, Micah, JTA, Hujik, Jason, Justin, Gibran, Bob, Jonathan, and Sam. We're a strong, growing community. If you're interested in joining the Patreon, I'll leave it in the description. Get real-time buy and sell alerts, and join some beautiful minds in the crypto markets. Let's get straight into the charts. Pretty much, if you don't have the time to watch these charts and pretty much day trade the charts like I do on these videos, then join the Patreon and I just send out updates for whatever's going on, so you guys will never miss anything. Bitcoin has seen a major spike, absolutely major spike. Exactly what we wanted to see in the last videos. We were looking at this trend line that we were drawing, and it is completely following the trend line, which is very beautiful. It's very beautiful. So that means we should. Excuse that. We should see a nice correlation onto Dogelon Mars, up 4.8%. Okay. Now keep in mind, altcoins lag. That means we should see some more upward movement in the coming days if Bitcoin continues to move higher, because altcoins lag. That means we will see a little bit of movement now, and that is normal. However, we will see the majority of movement in the next coming days. So, that being said, right now is a nice time to start averaging in at these 740 levels. Okay, if you have not averaged in yet, we are still pretty low, and we are creating higher low. Oh my god. Oh, excuse me. Oh my god. We're creating higher lows, right? We have one low here. One low around these 5 levels. Another low around these 6 levels. And another low around these 7 levels. So, this is what we want to see today in order to have the most confirmation to average in 1/4 of your portfolio. So, we are seeing some nice buying pressure. Step in here. However, we want to see a push higher than these 772 levels. If we can see that today, then that will be confirmation to average in 1/4 of your portfolio. Okay, let's get into it. We are seeing the volumes thicken up, and we saw that thicken up as we reached this previous support line on this upper trend line, which is exactly what we wanted to see, and we saw that. Now, I remember going over and telling you guys, whenever it comes down and touches this trend line, I told you this last video, that would be a great time to average in. So we are seeing that at the moment. However, we are not completely broken out of the downward trend line as well. We are still in that range as it looks. All right. So we just got to stay patient. And whichever range it breaks out first, that is what we would want to do. So, like I said, we want to see a push higher than these 780 levels today. And if we can even break through the top of this downward trend line here, that would be the most bullish sign, showing that buyers are stepping in. And they are not letting it divert course from this trend, this bottom support trend line here. So it's a great thing. 750 levels. Let's get real in depth real quick. Real in depth. I'm going to zoom in all the way in. These are 2 hourly candles, okay? Each candlestick is 2 hours. If you don't know how to read candlesticks, I have a course in the description. Go check it out. It will teach you all the basics of technical analysis. If you're new to trading, it's the only thing you need, only information you need in order to have a understanding of these markets, technical analysis wise and emotional cycle wise. So real in-depth. This is what we're looking at, okay? Then the next 2 hours, we want to break through these 762 levels, okay? We want to break through these 762 levels there. This candle, okay? Boom. Once we see that, it would be best if we moved higher, showed a little bit of retracement, and then broke through here, okay? That's the most bullish case scenario that we can see today, okay? Within the next 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 hours. That's what we want to see. So I will keep an eye on that, let you guys know, alert you guys on these buying opportunities. I'll have my alert set on the levels we need to watch, and I'll let you guys know ASAP. So that's what we're looking at. We really just want to see us break through these 765 to 78 levels today. We want to break through the top resistance line today. That will be the most bullish thing. The most bullish action. We are looking great in the overall market. Overall trend line. Look at what we're holding at here. We're holding above this 0.786 level, which is a great thing. We want to see us move up to this 0.618 and start showing some nice buying pressure around these levels, okay? We want to break through this and create this as new support in the future. Crypto billionaire 69. I will catch you guys. This is the most yawning I've ever done in a video. Just woke up, looked at the charts, and got super excited. See, we were at 4% when we started the video. Now we're at 6%. It will continue to move higher as Bitcoin does as well, because this is an altcoin and it lags behind the bigger players in the market. Now, over time, remember, this is just a blip in the radar. None of this really even matters in the longer term, because what we're going to see, same thing that happened with Shiba Inu. Same thing that happened with Shiba Inu. Same thing that happened with Dogecoin. We are simply in a beautiful price action right now. Beautiful retracement before the parabolic move higher. Now, I want to show you. I just want to compare to what happened with Shiba Inu. Now, I called it too. I rode the Shiba Inu wave. And if you're still in SHIB, I mean, it might spike again, but there's better plays out there. See what happened here? Boom. We saw some initial volume come in, and then it came back down and retraced. That's what we're seeing here, okay? We saw some initial volume, came back down, retraced. Now I want to go to the price here because, boom, right? That's what we're looking at. This is what we're looking at. Dun. Now we just got to wait. We got to be patient. The volume is tapering down exactly like it did here. Boom, tapered down. Now it's just a matter of time before we blow up. Through these previous all-time highs, we will see that. And then I will help you guys get out at the top, okay? Whenever we start really moving parabolic to the upside, that's when those of you in the Patreon will reap the rewards, because it's a tricky emotional game. If you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna sell at the first spike, or you're gonna hold the whole time and then sell here after seeing all these gains that you did not realize, which means you held it from a good price, you held it through the top, and you're holding at the bottom now. You're still at a profit, but you could have made 1,000% more than what you're currently holding at. So if you want to get out at the top, then follow these videos, my beautiful friends, and join the Patreon. Crypto Billionaire 69. I'll catch you guys in the next video tomorrow. Peace.